y'all, welcome back to the House of Organic Beauty. Hey guys, welcome back again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video, okay? So right here I'm just showing you guys, just a little snippet on how I kind of get ready in the morning. I am planning on going out of town, so I'm just doing a simple hairstyle that can probably last me throughout the whole week. So I hope you guys like it, and feel free to let me know, how you guys like this hairstyle. And yeah, if you have any suggestions or requests, just let me know. To my hair, but I do take care of my hair. Like, I have to re-moisturize and all that good stuff. So yeah, my hair for the most part right now it's moisturized, so I don't think I'm gonna add anything. If I do, it might be just to the ends. I just gotta trim, so my hair is feeling awesome right now. Yes, trims are important. Trims every 2 weeks. I don't know about that, but I get them like probably twice a year. I'm doing a ponytail, going back, and then I'm gonna have maybe a twist out thing going on, and then my ponytail is gonna be, I just do like a curly bun or something. So now I'm done with this part. Hold on, can't leave these behind. Okay, so I gather my hair up in a ponytail. Where my big brush at? Can't find a big brush. This will have to do. But I kind of like to brush in a ponytail. And then I want a curly bun. So what I'm gonna do is just 2-strand twist, like probably do like 6 2-strand twists. Add a little bit of leave-in conditioner, then start twisting. twists done, and then I will come back. So right now I'm down to my last twist. And I'm applying the leave-in conditioner throughout the whole hair, especially the ends. The ends are very important. If you protect your ends, you'll probably need to get trims like maybe twice in a year instead of like every 3 months. Okay, your ends are very important because they're the oldest part, okay, of the hair. So they get really dry if they, well, for my hair, if I leave it out, it gets it doesn't like it. It gets dry, it starts to break or whatever. So that's why I choose to do these protective styles. Some people could leave their hair out because and their hair will still grow. I don't know. But all I know, I have to protect my ends in order for me to not trim so often, and in order for me to see growth. My ends are very fragile and important. So I would do twist outs here and there, but not as often. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna add a little bit of gel here just to keep it nice and sleek. This don't do anything for me, but I use this as a hair perfume. This is the Shea Moisture Strengthen Color Care Primer and Styler. Primer and styler. Yeah, I mean, it just sits on my hair. I don't know. But I really like it as a perfume. So I would just spray my hair just a little bit. So that's my hair perfume. I got a knot here. Cheap. This is my ORS. I love this stuff because when I don't want like a firm hold and no flakes, I use this pudding to hold my edges down. And it doesn't give you a firm hold or anything. It just sleeks it down, gives it that soft look. And I like that. Like a little girl. But I like that. So this is it. And I'm gonna come back for the final look. It's gonna be a long drive, so I don't know if I'm gonna take it. No, I'm not gonna take it out. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Y'all gonna see the final look tomorrow, okay? Sure, might be like this. Let me see. Might be like this. You feel me? That's cute. No. Okay. This is how I wrap it. Get one of these satin scarf. Well, I don't know what this is, but I like using these scarves to wrap my hair. I had a cuter one, but I don't know where it's at. So this is how I'm going to set the edges. I did this on Thursday morning, and this is Sunday evening. I'm not gonna have time in the morning to show you guys, so it's been like maybe, let's see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I guess 3 days later. And I started to take the twist out because in the morning I have to wake up extra early. I just want to wake up and go. So this is how my twists are looking. Anything makes my hair define, make my curl define, so I don't even have to add gel, only to my edges. But so I'm gonna just take the rest out, the rest of the twist out on camera, and then I'm gonna show you the final look. And I took out the back already. The front I'm not going to tease. I'm just going to leave it like this because eventually in a few days it'll puff up and have like that thick curl look going on. So I'm not going to tease it or separate the curls. I'm just going to leave it like this. So it's cute, cute, cute. So you can go like this, bang, nice, you know. Okay, let's focus on the back. Oh, I don't have any hairpins. Found some hairpins. So on the back, I'm gonna just separate it a little bit. So in the back, I will be doing a bun. So this is the final look.
Nope. What? No.
I don't like hair on my face, so I think I might just pin it.
Mommy.
I just hate this bothers me. Like this bothers me.
Mommy.
Yes. So make sure you guys comment to let me know how you guys like this look. Yes, honey, yes. You know what, little gel, you hear me? You hear me? It's gonna last for like 2 weeks. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be blessed. Deuces. Good night.